How to know if someone has read your messages in Messenger. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So knowing if a person has read your messages on Messenger is quite simple. Just go to your Messenger application and then in the message simply go to the message section. I do not have installed the Messenger application, but I will tell you by using Facebook Lite. So simply go to the message, and if the person has read your message, for example, I sent this message. As you can see, this mm, shaded tick button means that the message is delivered. But then, after seeing the message, in this tick button, the person's profile will appear. So yeah, that's it. That's how you find out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.